Welcome back to How to Authority. In this video, we'll be going over all the different ways that you can change your wallpaper on your Mac, your MacBook, or whatever else you're using. And not just your wallpaper, but also even stuff like your screensaver, and even have some fun with live wallpapers and more. So let's go straight into it. First off, the easiest way just to change the wallpaper will be to click on the Apple icon in the top left, and then go on to System Settings. From there, you want to click on Wallpaper, and from there you can change your wallpaper to whatever you want, or even any custom ones stored locally on your device. So that's all pretty simple, and here's where you can also set up some more interesting wallpaper options, like for example the changing wallpaper designs that Apple has introduced, where they can shift from night to day, for example. As you can see, they preload quite a few different dynamic wallpapers for you to choose from. You can also set wallpapers to rotate on a schedule. You can either select one of the pre-made collections, or use the option at the top to select a folder with multiple images inside, then click on the very first option in the selection, which has a rotating sign in the middle, and then at the top you can set exactly how frequently the wallpaper will update. When it comes to live wallpapers, which are becoming so popular on the regular PC side, well, Apple actually includes some pre-made ones. So just look out for a little video icon in the bottom right of the wallpaper previews. However, there are some macOS apps you can use to do it, with some of the ones we recommend including iWallpaper, Earth 3D Light, and Live Wallpapers HD. And now in this menu in System Preferences is also where you can set your screensaver. There is a separate screensaver section within that menu. So just click on that, and there you can select whichever screensaver you want. That will trigger after a set time. This is where you can also set for the screensaver to be different to the regular wallpaper. However, another very easy method if you just want a single image is to bring up the context menu on it by either right-clicking it, pressing down twice on the MacBook trackpad, giving Command and mouse click, or pressing this icon with the three dots in the top right to bring up the context menu, and then simply click on Set Desktop Picture. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to change the wallpaper, screensaver, and more on your Mac device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.